So all you're going to need to do is if you just go into the App Store or Google Play Store and type in Shy Marathon, you can basically get this app. You need the app to actually track people. And basically when you open up the app, it'll just take you to this home screen like so, where do you agree to the terms of service and allow you notifications if you do want notifications for the person that you're spectating, or if you're a runner. And basically if you're a runner, you do need to go through this process, click on the runner so that people can actually be allowed to spectate you. But in this case, I'm trying to spectate people, so I'm going to click on that. And then you click on the tracking option, or you click on the leaderboard if you just want to see the pros and what their pace and times and splits are at. But basically what the click links allows you to do is it allows you to just see where people are at. You can choose up to 3, or you can skip this all. I'm going to choose 3 right here. And basically when you're on this page, you can click on the tracking option. It'll do a countdown for how many days, hours, weeks, minutes until it is that the marathon will start. And you can basically enter in their bib number. My friend's bib number is 14180, so I'm just going to type that in. And you can see right here, you can simply click on the plus icon right here. And if we just go to the home screen like so, 3 lines in the top left, click on the home, or click on the home and then tracking, you can see the people right here and basically click on them and see their progress, percentage, splits, etc. just on this page like so, and where they're at. But you do need the app to track them. And yeah, if you found this helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing down below. Happy running, everyone.